So I was listening to 94.5 on Saturdays at, I believe, 11:30 a.m. and I just kept hearing. And I have been struggling with, just my health, chronic issues, number of years. I'm 53, so it's not getting any easier. And I'm beyond just wanting to lose weight, but wanting to get healthy. And so just dealing with things like high blood pressure, some skin issues, some chronic colitis, inflammation. And really I got to a point where I felt so inflamed in my body. I just felt so swollen that I was miserable. And so I tried other fads, other things, and I thought, I've got nothing else to lose, so I'll try this. And so I came to Triad Health and met Dr. Dave, and it's been a wonderful experience. So, the first week, start the detox program. That's the first phase, is detoxing. 2 weeks into this, I picked up my iPad off the counter, and my thumb hit the fingerprint thing, and it went right into an app. And that kind of surprised me. I didn't think much about it until later in the day. Same thing. I picked it up again, and an app that my daughter had been playing on opened right up. And I've had the iPad for over 2 years, and I could never use the fingerprint thing. I always had to put in a code to be able to, access the programs. And so I looked at my thumbs and my skin. My hands prior to this always cracked, and I would spend $150 a month on some expensive dermatology stuff and cream, and had to put on morning and night, and that kind of kept it at bay. But I totally went off that and started doing the cellular detox, and within 2 weeks my hands, my elbows, everything began to heal up, and that just kind of blew me away. And then week 3 I went to the dentist, and that's normally a 30-minute process, scraping plaque and everything, and she was in there for about 30 seconds and pulled the little scraper out and said, I got to tell you, you have no plaque in your mouth. I was like, really? And she said, yeah. She said, there's no plaque. And I said, well, I haven't had sugar in like 3 weeks, no carbs at all in the detox phase. And she said, that's why. And so it was just kind of neat to see the changes that were taking place on a cellular level kind of manifesting itself, out physically. If you're struggling, I would definitely consider trying this. For me, the low carb was not a difficult thing to do. It actually felt good detoxing. I had more energy, kind of gave me hope. That was big for me because I'd reached a point in life where I was just really feeling hopeless. And so within about 2 weeks, I felt that hope rising again. And so I've been 2.5 months. I'm still a work in progress, and I've lost 25 pounds. It's not a fad. It's not a quick lose thing. I know it's going to take time, but I can't wait to get off my blood pressure medicine and get off my colitis medicine, just as my body heals from the inside out.